Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL IF 18, and in this session we are going to presenting our project titled Waterpark Data-Driven Smart Parking System powered by IoT and Big Data Analytics. With the project manager is Ms. Ratika STMA, and the project proponent is Ms. Ratu Husnamufida, PhD. Okay, next. For the team project, we have I am Tariq Ziyad as a team leader.
I'm Mardian Saran as team member.
My name is
Muhammad Nasir Abdul as a member.
My name is Arwindo as a team member.
Okay, next for the project description. First is the title of our project is Waterpark. What? It stands for Window, Hazik, Ardian, and Tariq. It is a responsive web-based system integrated with Internet of Things technology. Designed to be implemented in the toward a parking lot of the Batamset Polytechnic. The main feature is that users can view the availability of parking slots in real time and make parking reservations. The objective is to enhance the management of parking service and improve the user experience by offering monitored parking in the campus parking area. Okay, next for the system specifications. For the front end we are using HTML, and we are using CSS, and we are using JavaScript. And for the backend and database, we are using Python version 3.13.2 and Django version 5.2 LTS, stand for long-term support, and we are using SQLite for the database, and for the IoT integration we are using RESTful API.
Next is project output. Responsive web IoT prototype, GitHub, EBR document, logbook report, slide presentation, draft IPR registration document, manual book, and poster. Next is logbook progress history and overall progress from the beginning have reached 90%.
Okay, for the next slide, we have a project achievement, so user can make a real-time reservation. So we got 4 page here. The first one is user can make a reservation, and the second one is user can view the account info. The third one is user can view the account management, and the last one is user can see the reservation record. And next one is for the admin. Admin can make a real-time monitoring and control. So we got a third page here. So the first one is admin can see the client data center, and then this is admin also can see the park monitoring for the user, and the last one is admin can see the reservation management. Okay, this is our IoT prototype. So this is a ultrasonic object detection system with buzzer alarm indicator. We use a power bank for the power supply, and we use Raspberry Pi as a processing. Okay, next we have a project achievement for the system operation overview. For the system, we have 2 actors, which is admin and user. For the user, user can make a reservation on the available parking slot. When the user going to the reserved slot, the sensor will detect the vehicle, and then if the sensor detect the vehicle, the buzzer will make a noise as a alarm indicator. And then for the admin, when the user park the vehicle on the reserved parking slot, they can see the monitor as a monitor like reservation management. They can also turn off the buzzer alarm.
Next is team contribution. Tariq Ziyad works on back-end and embedded program and take responsibility for the following work. Ardian Saran works on back-end and database integrator. take responsibility for the following work. For Haziq Afif Hidayat works on front end and UI UX designer and take responsibility for the following work. Finally, Arvindo works on planner, or documenter and embedded design and take responsibility for the following work.
So our project percentage progress are 10%. We completed progress for the user registration feature, login feature, real-time availability, viewing feature, parking reservation feature, total feature, and then logout feature. We completed progress for admin real-time parking status monitoring feature, real-time parking management system feature. So our incomplete progress for hosting deployment. Okay, for our challenge is communications, scheduling meetings with the client, project manager, and team members proved to be difficult due to the various commitments such as traveling out of town or attending overseas meeting. And then learning curve, the project began entirely from scratch and involve new unfamiliar technologies in both web development and IoT hardware assembly.
Okay, so that's all from our presentation. Thanks for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.